AMC getting a touch of movie magic today, jumping more than 9% after Credit Suisse initiated coverage on the theater chain with an outperform. It is our call of the day. Kind of scares me, too. AMC having a rough go over the past year, but Credit Suisse says a big rebound at the box office could drive this stock higher. What do you think, Dan?
Well, listen, I think it's pretty interesting because I think sentiment's been so bad about with all this streaming and all this original content that's coming on platforms like Amazon and Hulu and, direct to consumers. The notion is that, the theaters are going away. But one of the things we do know about millennials is they do like experiences, but they also like Netflixing and chill. So to me, I think calling the death of the theater is probably a little bit too soon, especially when you think about how much good content is still being made for the big screen.
Grasso?
Well, I feel like I have to take the other side of that, only because if you look at these charts,
Dan said it.
if you look, I mean, when was the last time you went to the movies? Old Yeller?
Not kidding.
Yeah, I know. He's a different age group. He's a different age group. But when I look at this, I don't know if there's enough moviegoers to actually keep them alive. There is short interest in these names. 23% in AMC.
Aren't children being born every day?
Yeah, they are, but a lot of them.
There's always new people.
A lot of them are grabbing my phone and they're watching Netflix or they're watching
Disney
Amazon
made
Prime.
5 movies in the last year that grossed over $1 billion.
Exactly,
What are you talking about?
I hear that.
Right, so last year, and that's part of the reason
but
why AMC underperformed, because they had such a comp
in the
from last year.
12 months.
So they're always chasing the last greatest hit, which makes it tough for them to stay alive, and they have to perform construction on these movie theaters.
I mean, good for them. It's a bold call. There is debt here, so there's some risk there. But if you look at Disney with their slate, and still, right, if that's not the best environment ever to go to the movies, I don't know what is.
Lion King is that? We have a great new EP. Kevin. And he just was sort of whispering in my ear. I mean, I know that sounds sort of creepy, but Lion King is, and I'll be honest, it'll be hot out there.
Are you
don't want to go to a theater?
King?
No, I'm not going to go to Lion King, but a lot of people will go to Lion King. And I'm going to listen. Maybe I'm taking the other side of the other side, but there's a huge short interest
the same side.
in
the
AMC.
Other side, the same side.
They into earnings. You've seen what happens in stocks with a 25% short interest. Look at that. I mean, look at those like real lion right there.
All right, but here's another. This wasn't a creepy conversation that I had with Kevin earlier.
Oh, look at you bringing
Listen,
Kevin in.
Think about this, right? So what is Disney doing? They're bringing all their content off every other platform. That's Marvel, that's Lucas, that's Pixar, that's all their own generated stuff. They need to have blockbusters. They will continue to have these massive blockbusters that are built for theaters, and then they keep them all there, and then they get you to subscribe. So you have that catalog for life. They will always do that 1-2 punch. That's what a company like Disney is so good at, and it will be Iger's legacy.